And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hey, my name is Leonis, but my YouTube channel is Lovely Lee because that's just what I like, okay? So, let's get into it. This is a little winter set that I did for a customer. Oh my God, these are beautiful. I love these so much. So that was really cringy, but I love this set so much. I'm just gonna show you guys a little rundown of how I did it. And you guys are just gonna watch this satisfying video of me doing this nail set. And you get little pointers if you do press on nails yourself, or you want to see how I do them, or whatever. Don't forget to follow my press on nails Instagram, and that will be linked down below. Also, this is my second video showing how I do press on nails, and I absolutely am so grateful and surprised on how the first one did. I didn't think it would do that great. I'm not gonna hold you, but I'm grateful. I'm here. I'm living for it, and it's going. So we on to the second one, and we're gonna keep going with these. So let me know what you guys think about these. I love them. I don't know how to do voiceovers. I don't know when to stop. I don't know what to say. So I'm just going to shut up. If I need to say something, you're going to hear me. So, okay, bye. Just to pop in one more time, most of this is self-explanatory, and I also explained thoroughly in the first video, this one right here. So again, that will be linked down below if you want like a thorough what I use, where to get it, blah, blah, blah. And all my materials are linked in that video. So yeah, I don't want to repeat myself. I don't know if I was annoying in that video, so I don't want to do it again. So yeah, I'm just gonna play some calming music, guys. Sit back, relax. If I need to mention something, I will. Something I want to mention right now is definitely don't mind my nails. I clean a lot, so the gel polish never really lasts on me. I don't know why I thought that was cute. But yeah, I started peeling. So, yeah, let's get into this nail set. I'm gonna shut up and you're gonna listen to this beautiful music.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna breathe. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want up to lay in your deep, baby, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
need a